Hello everyone. I hope you all are awesome and amped. Cool. Today, I have 5 simple ways to improve your business writing skills. Number 1 is the value of solid writing skills. Being a good writer helps you stand out from the crowd. Repeated writing mistakes affect your reputation and credibility in the future. Number 2 is the 5 W's plus H method for establishing what and how you will write. Who? Who is my audience? What? What do they need to know? When? When does this apply? When did this happen? Or when do they need to know it by? Where? Where is this happening? Why? Why do they need this information? How? How should they use this information? Number 3 is keep it short. Think about how people read. Try to leave out the part that readers tend to skip. The long paragraphs that have more to do with what you want to say than what the reader needs to hear. Always keep your reader in mind. And if you can't write an email that's less than half a page long, then email isn't the best way to communicate this information. Number 4 is avoid pretentious words. If your reader has to use Google or a dictionary to decipher what you're trying to say, they're going to feel annoyed. Avoid jargon. It makes you sound pretentious, and it can further alienate your reader. Instead, write the way you talk. Keep it natural and direct. Number 5 is always be professional. Be authentic and to let your voice shine through in your writing, but also keep it professional. A good way to check the appropriateness of your content is to ask, would I be comfortable with this if it was on the front page of the newspaper tomorrow morning? If this makes you cringe, do some editing. Hope you like my video. See you in the next video.